Close your eyes if you can. Let the sound of these words become waves on the shore of your being. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring to mind the letter Ches, arched like a gateway, open on both sides, a doorway between worlds. See it glowing in soft light. Now let it unfold into Ches, Ches, Yud Taf, the healing expansion of potential into revelation. Let it shine. Now, silently or loud, say the word Chaim. Feel it moving through you. 4 letters, 4 streams of good. With each breath, invite one stream to rise. The visible good, what is already sweet in your life. The hidden good, something painful that carried a gift. The future good, a hope not yet fulfilled. The supernal good, a mystery too vast to name. With each exhale, whisper, Tov. Allow the vibration of goodness to fill your cells, your story, your space. You are not separate from life's goodness. You are its expression, its vessel, its unfolding. Stay here for a few breaths. Let the fourfold goodness of life hold you. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this knowing with you. Life is not only healing, it is good, and not just good, fourfold good. Thank you for listening to Numerical Wonders. If this episode opened something in you, I invite you to share it, reflect on it, or just sit with it gently. Until next time, keep listening inward to the numbers, the letters, and the whisper of the Tov that flows through them all.